Hello everyone. Here is an update on Hurricane Tammy. Tammy is now a Category 1 hurricane. A hurricane warning is in effect for Guadeloupe, Antigua, Barbuda, Montserrat, St. Kitts and Nevis. A hurricane watch is in effect for Anguilla, St. Martin and St. Barthelemy. A tropical storm warning is in effect for Dominica, Anguilla, St. Martin and St. Barthelemy, Saba and St. Eustatius. A tropical storm watch is in effect for Barbados and Martinique. At 11 a.m. Eastern Time, Hurricane Tammy was centered 165 miles east-southeast of Martinique. Tammy is moving toward the west-northwest at 7 miles per hour. Maximum sustained winds are 75 miles per hour. The minimum central pressure is 992 millibars. Tammy is moving slowly toward the west-northwest, and a gradual turn toward the northwest is expected later today, with the storm passing near or over the northern Leeward Islands on Saturday. Rainfall amounts of 4 to 8 inches, with localized amounts up to 12 inches are possible along the path of Tammy. Over the northern Leeward Islands, flash flooding will be possible, along with mudslides and mountainous terrain. Tammy has now become a hurricane, and some additional strengthening is possible during the next 48 to 72 hours. Once the system moves to the north of the islands, some weakening of the steering flow will likely cause Tammy to slow a bit as it begins to turn northward. Eventually, southwesterly winds are forecast to increase, and Tammy should accelerate northeastward across the central Atlantic as a weakening system next week. We will continue to monitor Tammy, and will post additional updates as the system impacts the Leeward Islands. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this content, kindly subscribe and enable notifications to stay updated on future weather alerts.